National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia of 20 nautical miles, Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to Windmill Point, Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots from Fenwick Island to 15 nautical miles northwest of Chincoteague Bay, moving southeast at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Ossawoman Bay around 10:50 p.m., Ocean City Pier and Ocean City Inlet around 10:55 p.m., 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet and 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island around 11:05 p.m., African Queen Wreck around at 11:20 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The coastal